Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at how the queuing system works from the perspective of the staff and the customer. The device on the right hand side is the staff device and the one on the left is the customer facing device. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is get into line and we're just going to go through all of the steps involved. So you'll see this screen, by the way, is customizable. You can put your own logo there, your own text, you can change the color of the buttons, you can change even the words. But I'm going to right now join the queue for this demonstration, and you're going to see my form here. I'm just going to say I've got 2 people in my party and I want to shop. Now you can change the questions, you can change the reasons for your visit, and the staff, obviously these are all customizable fields. So I'm going to select myself, I'm going to hit the get in line button, and there you go, I am now in line. And you can see the staff member gets a text message from the system saying the customer has joined your queue. Okay, they'll also get a push notification in a minute or two. But now this is what the customer sees. They see 0 people. The estimated wait time is 0 minutes. 1 person waiting, which is myself. And all they have to do is, they have 2 options. They can either remove themselves from get out of line, or let them know you're here. And what can happen is the staff, when they click on the same queue feature, you will see the information of the customer. You'll see their name, their phone number, their email, when they joined, who they joined for, the reason for their visit, and the mobile number. And you're able to click the call button here and actually make a phone call directly to the person if you so choose to. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit you're also able to tell the system if they showed up or they didn't show up here. So I'm going to hit the book button to change it to available, and you can see the customer gets a push notification as well as a text. So they get a text from the system, and you can text up and you can see the text. Great, we're ready. So this language, by the way, is customizable. You can say whatever you want in the setup in the back end, but we're not going to go through the setup at this point. We're just looking at how it works. So the customer has now received a text message and a push notification telling them they're being served. When they get to the business, they're able to click right here and say, "Let us know you're here." So they can let the staff know that they've actually arrived. So we click this, update your status, and boom, the staff now gets a text message saying this customer has arrived. So now they can go and let them in or attend to them. And that's it. It's really simple. Okay, there's your push notification as well. So the text message comes in much faster. Obviously, the push notification works on Apple and Google servers. Okay, but you can see the push notifications coming there. So this is a really great system, very simple to use. The customers are just getting into line and hitting a couple of clicks, making a couple of clicks, and away they go. And by the way, this does not even need the app. You can do handle both of these things from a web browser. So even if you wanted to provide this as a service to potential clients, complimentary of charge, you can create a QR code in the back for the staff as well as for their customers to scan, so they don't even need the app. But obviously it looks great inside the app. That's it. Thanks for watching.